Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make this beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in all purpose knitting, but this pattern is special for baby sweaters. See how beautiful. And this is your wrong side. And friends, this pattern will be completed in 4 rows, and you need multiples of 4 plus 3 stitches. So friends, let's begin. Friends, this is very beautiful pattern of 2 colors. You have to make 2 rows with one color and 2 rows with other color. I will add second color. Before it you have to make border as you like. Knit 3 with this color, second color, slip 1, slip 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, knit 3, 2, 3, slip 1, last repeat, knit 3. I have finished my first row. On wrong side, second row, purl these 3 stitches and slip 1 this, slip this one, purl 3, slip the same stitch, purl 3, slip 1, purl 3, slip 1 and purl 3. I have made 2 rows with this color. Now I make 2 rows with this color. These are 3 stitches. Middle stitch you have to knit, and this one you have to knit, and this you have to purl. Purl this one, yarn back, knit this one, yarn in front, purl this one, yarn back, knit this. Now purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. I am making third row. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1 and purl 1. I have finished third row. Fourth row, on wrong side, purl all stitches for this row. See friends, this pattern is over. Now I am repeating. You have to exchange stitches. Now slip this one middle stitch and knit these 3 stitches. Slip this middle stitch and knit these 3. Now this stitch is in the middle, this one, 1, 2, 3, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1, knit 3, slip 1 and knit 1. So friends, you have to repeat 4 rows again and again, and this pattern will look like this. I hope you will like this video and you will like this pattern. So please subscribe my channel and like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.